children.
Hi,
Miss Aixa.
and Miss Alex.
And we are going to be making something special.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder, Miss Alex, did you hear the story?
I did, about the Orioles.
Yeah, about the Orioles.
Mm-hmm.
And in the story, they had stopped in a tree
Mm-hmm.
and there was a special treat there for them. Do you remember what it was?
Do you remember?
You're right!
Seeds.
Seeds! And it was a pine cone that they used to eat off all of the seeds from.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you know, this is a pine cone bird feeder. And some children in the story made the bird feeder for those Orioles. And I wonder if we can make some bird feeders for some Orioles around here.
Mm-hmm.
Or perhaps even some scrub jays.
Mm-hmm. Or bluebirds.
Or bluebirds.
Or towhees.
Or towhees. So, would you like to make one? Here's what you will need. You will need a pine cone, or if you don't have a pine cone, what else could we use, Miss Alex?
I know we all have one of these. A toilet paper roll.
So we could use that or a pine cone. And we will need
Something sticky.
what's sticky and tasty? Some sun butter. Or you could use
Other nut butters.
whichever kind you have at home. And we will need a butter knife or a spoon to
For
help.
spreading.
And let's see, how will it hang? Oh,
Maybe some string.
some string.
So we've got a long piece of string.
And that way we'll put it in here to hang it. Oh, we'll tie it around. Let's do that now. Ooh, and what else will we need? We have everything but
The snacks.
the seeds for the bird food. Now, we got this at a store. This is Premium Nut and Fruit Wild Bird Food. And this has sunflowers, and it had, sunflower seeds, and it has almonds and peanuts,
Millet.
some millet, and some other little seeds. Oh, sunflower seeds I see in here.
You can also use quinoa,
Mm-hmm.
other seeds like pumpkin seeds. And
Delicious. So if you don't have any bird food already at your house, you might have some in your pantry.
So the first step, Miss Aixa.
Yes.
Miss Aixa will be making our pine cone bird feeder, and Miss Alex will be making our toilet paper roll bird feeder. Now first, would you like to string yours?
Yes.
Okay.
I think that would be nice so it doesn't get messy.
Yeah.
So,
Cut a nice long string, something that you can perhaps tie from a tree or outside of your home. Nice and long.
now with the pine cone, you'll just wrap it around, get it in there and stuck in there. Ooh. And then you'll tie it off so the string doesn't come undone. And there you have it. What about for the toilet paper?
Now with the toilet paper roll, I took the string and put it right through the center so the birdie can perch right on top of the toilet paper roll and nibble its treats right from there.
Delicious. Now what do we do?
Now, in order to get our seeds to stay on our bird feeder, we'll need to take our delicious spread and slather it all over.
Delicious.
Don't be afraid to get dirty. Cover it all the way around and around. You want to make sure they have plenty of food to eat.
Just want to make sure this is secure.
Could have a heavy bird. Maybe even a crow.
Oh, goodness. Goodness me. Let's see. And for the pine cone, well, we have lots of little crevices here. So you want to make sure you get
all the nooks and crannies.
Yes, the sun butter in all of those spaces. Ooh, Miss Alex, are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Woohoo!
So now the fun part. I get to roll the toilet paper roll into our tray of seeds. And I just take it like that and I smush those seeds right into that toilet paper roll.
Delish.
Now it's a bird feeder roll. And I'm gonna cover it. I might go back and forth. I want to get it all covered. Simple as that.
Oh yeah, this is messy.
And now, if you can see,
Wow! That's amazing. Ooh, I wonder if you could even put some inside.
What a great idea. I think I'll do that. Could hide some treats on the inside.
Yeah, I know some of those tricky birds will try to get on the inside. Okay, I think I'm ready too. Ooh wee. Now you want to make sure, before you start, to put some either newspaper down or a towel or something so that the sun butter doesn't get all over your table. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Here. These birds are gonna love this.
I'm looking forward to seeing what birds come to visit us.
You can hang this in your backyard and see what kind of birds come to visit you.
And feel free to take some pictures to share with us. We miss you so much and we'd love to see how much fun you're having.
Oh, yes, we would love to see you. Alrighty, friends.